My name is Bola Olufayo. The estate management called me regarding your house.
Okay, is something wrong? Did something happen?
I do believe that you have a problem with your plumbing system.
Yes, yes. I called the estate manager and I told him that I had really serious challenges with my plumbing system, and they promised to send me a plumber.
I would like to believe and to call myself a plumbing technician, but you can also call me a plumber.
Are you sure you're a plumber?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, you're going to have to give me a minute to confirm, because you don't look anything like a plumber.
Well, my plumbing company, the plumbing company I work for, handles all the houses in this area. But unfortunately, we were not the ones who handled your house. Whoever did the plumbing here did a very bad job.
Okay, but you still need to give me a minute to confirm. I hope you don't mind.
That's fine.
Maybe they want to kidnap her now or something. I have to be careful. Hello, Gamakos. Good morning, sir. There's a man here. He said his name is Mr. Fola. And he said he's a plumber.
Is he putting on his suit?
Yes.
Then yes, he's a plumber.
Ah. Are you sure he knows what he's doing? Okay, sir, if you say so. Okay, come in.
Thank you. I'm sorry, but my assistant will soon be here.
Oh, that's fine. I just had to quickly confirm.
My Oga, good morning. Madam, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Bobo. My apologies for his loudness. He doesn't have the inside voice.
That's fine. Let me show you to what.
All right.
Yes, please.
Get the two bags. I hope you're with it. Hurry up.
Yes.
So, here is the kitchen. It's not really set up completely. I just moved in, so excuse the mess. This is the kitchen sink that has a problem. The water doesn't flow. It doesn't flow, like it just comes out really scanty. Sometimes it doesn't come out at all. Then there's like a leaking challenge here as well.
Okay. Is this the only sink that has a problem in the house?
No, not at all. The bathroom sink also has the same challenge. In fact, the drainage system is just a mess, because sometimes the water comes up and then it doesn't flow. It's really slow. It just starts to leak.
Don't worry. I'll take care of that.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
So basically what I'm going to do is that I'm going to check the whole house. I'll check the plumbing system to know what the problem is.
Okay.
And when I do that, I would put together an estimate price for you. Is that okay?
Yes, that's fine.
All right, madam.
All right, thank you so much. So,
right.
well done.
Thank you.
All right.
Oga, the Papa told me to call you again.
I know. I have eyes I can see.
Welcome to my humble abode.
Babe, this is really nice.
Thank you.
Wow! You know, when you told me that you were searching for an apartment, I didn't know that it was something this huge and lovely.
Thank you.
And I love. This is cute. Will you be staying here alone?
Well, I was hoping that Kwame would come stay with me.
So why hasn't he come stay with you?
You know, this house is not in one of those wealthy areas like his house. So he said I should give him some time to think about it.
My friend, you did try. Honestly, I did pity you. You and this your boyfriend. Hey, God. Well, you better go and tell your guy. Tell him that this place is so lovely and more beautiful than his so-called VI apartment. Not be by VI. The inside fine. You fine. I beg.
Wait, where are you going to? You want to go and sit down? Hell no. Let me show you around the house.
Honestly, babe, I'm really so surprised.
Come. Let's start with the bedroom.
Like you polished here to teeth. You did so well. I love the chair.
Thank you.
It's my favorite color.
All these pipes are clogged. That there. Easy. No, don't pour it. Just drop it. I'm still working on this pipe here. Baba, quickly get me a tape.
Which one? Shape, measuring, abi, insulation.
Get me a tape now, ordinary tape.
Take.
What's your problem? Get me a white tape.
So, here is the kitchen. But I'm having plumbing issues. So Mr. Fola and his apprentice are helping me to fix that.
Hi.
So I hope the stress is not too much.
No, it's not.
All right, thank you. Well done. Let's go. Let me show you the rest of the house. Let's go.
Oh.
Girl, where did you get this jeans?
You like it?
Yes, you're not giving me this jeans. You must give me this jeans.
We don't wear the same size, so how is he going to insult you? I beg.
Teta.
Wait. Who's that guy?
Plumber.
Plum what?
Plumber. See, you ought to have seen when he came earlier on. He had on a suit and tie.
You don't mean it.
Corporate things.
How is that sweet, handsome boy just a plumber?
Hey, Joy, you crush on any and everything.
I beg your mama. You see, you cannot deny the fact that guy is actually very sweet. I mean, like, he's really handsome. Look at... And it sounds like he's smart. Come on, what's wrong with you?
Hello.
Hi.
He's just a plumber.
And hi. They're not carrying plumber for you, say, I'm a plumber.
Now,
he's not showing on his
now,
face.
Now, for you. I beg.
Everything
you want
I beg for you. The guy is sweet.
You know they use your eyes.
Sweet
man.
boy.
So, see, this hand butter, you just put in your bag, like you just put it, you know when you always use your hands and they always get dry, you always have to keep them moist consistently, see? So your hands don't keep getting dry or anything. Oh, okay. Excuse me. You guys are done?
Yes, madam. I've checked all the taps and the pipes in the house.
Okay.
Now, this is a list of the things we need to buy and a list of the things we need to replace. Like I said earlier on, whoever handled the plumbing system of this house did a very bad job.
But this is so expensive.
Well, madam, I always try my best to use the best quality when it comes to materials. So what I recommended here is the best in terms of quality. But if you want reduced prices, I could always use materials with lesser quality.
No, it's fine. I want the best quality.
All right then.
Okay, so I would talk to the estate manager and I will get back to you.
All right.
Is that okay?
Have a
All
great
right.
day.
All right, you too. Bye. Thank you. It's just cut so.
Oga, that auntie for fine. I just they look her. She did knock my heart. Bing, bing. You know whether she don't marry?
Would you lower your voice?
Sorry, sir.
And yes, you're right. She's really pretty.
My God, don't fall in love.
So I spoke with the estate manager, and he said that I should forward him the list that you gave to me. I hope that's okay with you.
Why am I so attracted to her? I wonder if she's seen someone.
I was hoping I could ask you this. I don't know if it's okay. But when you're working, could you reduce the sound? Because I have to do my influencing videos, and it will just be like so much noise in the background.
It's not even about her being single. Someone like this definitely has a rich man sponsoring her. She will never go out with someone like me.
So how long do you think it will take? Hello? So how long do you think it will take?
Sorry, you said?
How long will it take you to finish the work?
How long? Yeah, it should take about, let's say, 3 weeks. It's taking that long because we have to redo the whole plumbing of the house.
Oh, okay. That's fine. So please start. I hope we won't have any issues.
Not at all.
All right, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
All right.
Bobo, you're back.
Yes, sir.
Did you like Momo?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. How about your own food?
Something when me I don't finish since.
Yeah.
Something smells nice here.
Madam, I hope you don't mind. I want to have my lunch.
No, it's fine. Sorry, where did you get this from?
I don't know how to direct you to the place, but I can assure you that their food is really good.
Yes, I think so. It smells like just local fried stews. I can imagine eating it with this plain white rice like this and then some fried plantains. Well, it's okay. Let me leave you to work. Would you guys want some drinks?
Water is fine. Water.
You sure? Okay, that's fine. Please just feel free and take from the fridge. All right.
Thank you.
I need you to rush to that place and buy white rice and fried plantain for her. Make sure they put the stew in a different plate and they should add extra stew. You understand? Plenty stew for her.
Hurry up, go. Do you have money on you?
Mama, money in my bag.
All right, get out. Can I get it?
I think I need to do a snap for them.
Madam, Mama, God say make I give you this food as a token of ad admiration. No, appreciation.
Thank you.
It's my pleasure. No, it's our pleasure.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Bye-bye. My Oga, Mr. Lover love.
Lower your voice. Did you get it?
Yes.
What did she say?
She said the food nice.
Good boy.
My
What's your problem? Take your time. I get back to work. Get back to
Maybe
work.
I change.
Why is it so hard for you? Why is it so hard for you to make adjustments that can accommodate my own needs? Why? You know what? It's fine. It's fine. If you don't want to come, it's okay. It's fine. Just leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me.
Oh, sorry. Thank you so much for the food earlier.
It's nothing.
It was something. It came at the right time, and there's so much I can do with this dinner. Thank you. So how much will I be owing you? Let me
No,
just.
no, there's no need for that.
Oh, yeah, that's so sweet of you. Thank
You're welcome. Sorry, if I may ask. When I got in, I noticed that you were crying. I hope everything is fine.
Yes, everything is fine. No, that's a lie. It's not fine. Can I ask you a question?
Shoot.
Why are men so selfish?
Okay, so who's the selfish man?
My boyfriend is so selfish. You know, since I moved to this house, he has refused to come and see me. I don't understand why he can never accommodate my needs. I don't understand. But like, am I not important to him? He keeps telling me that, oh, the house is fine, but it's in a ghetto area, so he can't come here.
The truth is that I don't think most people these days realize what a ghetto is supposed to look like. I'll tell you something. 8 years ago, when I left home, I came to the ghetto.
You left home.
Yes.
I feel like there's a story there. Tell me. What happened?
My apologies. I don't like to talk about it.
Oh, you are going to talk about this one. Because I don't believe you grew up in the ghetto. I mean, you're always properly dressed.
Thank God that we don't look like what we've been through.
Thank God for that. So tell me about you. You look like a man with a lot of dreams. Why did you decide to be a plumber?
Truth be told, I didn't finish my university education. So I went to technical school, got certified, and I started plumbing.
Okay. But why do you dress so formally? I mean, you don't have to, right?
I dress this way to always remind myself of my goals.
And what are your goals?
Very soon, I'm going to start my own plumbing business. And then I will grow it into a multinational company.
I like the sound of that. I can see you're a very ambitious man. You go for what you want.
How about you?
Me? Oh, I'm just a simple girl. I'm an online influencer. you know, I represent brands and I influence for them regularly. You could just call me like a glorified marketer of today's digital world. So I don't really have such glam big dreams like you. I just want to make a lot of money, live a baby girl lifestyle. On the flip side, maybe I could just get married to a very wealthy man and just, you know, be a housewife.
Well, I am sure you're going to get a rich husband.
Amen.
Amen to that.
Thank you so much. You've been God sent to me today, from buying me food to cheering me up. Thank you.
Pleasure's all mine.
Oga, you come to waiting you come they do there.
Well, we're just talking.
Which kind talk? Na TikTok you go they do. See, Oga, this woman, toast her, give her belly sharp sharp, pay her bride price, marry her, finish.
How long have you been working for me?
For 4 months.
4 months.
For
And you still don't know me. What a pity.
you want to tell me say you no like her?
Of course. I like her. In fact, I think she's the first woman that I really like. And I also want her to like me too.
Oh,
Yeah, but I really don't think that I'm her kind of guy.
waiting you mean? Waiting do you?
Listen, Bobo, I'm not exactly a big boy. And she has made it quite clear that she wants a rich man in her life.
Big, big boy or no big boy? Rich man or no rich man? You get handwork. You get get sense. You get vision. And you sabi do love. Wetin remain? See, make I tell you, any woman wey go marry you go dey lucky. In fact, make I open up to you. My sister, they are you. Abi, 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 she no be your spec.
Bobo, my sister is married with 4 children.
You know mean nah. You know mean.
But you don't know what you're talking about.
Oga.
Oh, good morning.
Good morning.
You are here already.
Yes, and I got you food from Mama BC's restaurant. I told her to add extra stew because I know you like her stew a lot.
Oh, thank you
Yeah.
so much. Thank you, thank you. I know my boyfriend is going to love this. I've told him so much about it.
Your boyfriend.
Yes, he came last night.
Bobo,
Sorry.
Baba, is everything okay?
Sorry. Nah, reflex action.
please ignore him. He has a condition that makes him forget things sometimes.
A condition?
Yes, as a child he fell down and hit his head, so he has brain damage.
Oh my God.
That's why sometimes he acts out of touch. Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh my God, we need to find a solution.
Yes, we need to fix you.
Mommy?
Anyway, thank you so
Enjoy your
much.
meal.
Yes. Come on, baby. Baby, guess what?
Let's go sing. So cute.
Baby. See, if you taste this stew, your life can never be the same again. Just try it.
Did you order it yourself?
Nope. The plumber bought it for me on his way to work.
Looks like the plumber has a crush on you.
What crush? Please stop, Joe. Just be nice.
I'm just saying because I would not order food for a girl on my way to work unless I am trying to impress her.
Oh, please. Not everyone has a dirty mind like you.
Anyways, I hope you did not put love potion in this food because I don't want to eat and start cheating. Just saying.
Chasing a plumber?
Just saying. Does taste nice. To be honest, this was nice. I'm not gonna lie. Thank you.
My pleasure.
I have a meeting with a client that wants me to help her handle her club, and I'm late for the appointment, so I have to run now. But anyways, thank you for the food. I really appreciate it.
It's fine, babe. I've run water for you in the bucket, so.
Oh, what can I do without you? Thank you so much. Did you say bucket? Damn, I can't remember the last time I bathed with a bucket. This place is not just a ghetto, it's a proper interior village. Hey, Jesus, buckets!
That's not even funny. Oh, you're too stuck up. Babe! Babe! Hello? Who is this?
Babe, where is this? Is that my phone? Why are you answering my call? Why are you answering my call?
I thought it was a client that you were going to meet up with.
And you answered my call?
That's not the point. The point is that you said you were going to meet up with a client, and now it's a girl asking when you're coming over to the house.
How did you manage to reach that conclusion?
Because she just said that!
What did you say to her?
Is that what is important to you?
Listen, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like when people touch my phone. Don't touch my phone ever again.
Is that what is important to you right now?
Don't touch my phone.
Is that what is important to you right now?
Listen, you are not so. I don't like it when people touch my phone. Don't touch my phone. I don't like it when people touch my phone.
Babe!
Like, I don't even understand why you are crying.
Is it because of her you've been avoiding me?
She's not the reason for anything. In fact, wait, hold on. What did this person say to you over the phone? Because I know you. I know nobody said anything to you. You're probably just imagining this outrageous scenario in your head.
I'm imagining things.
Yes, I can bet my money on that.
get out. Get out! And where do you think you're going?
You asked me to leave. I'm leaving. What else do you want from me?
What do you think is wrong with you? I opened the door and asked you to leave, and you want to leave? Tell me, on a scale of 1 to 10, exactly how insane are you? What do you think you're doing?
What's your problem, Mama? What's your problem?
I need you to apologize. I need you to show remorse.
Mama!
I need you to tell me that you're sorry. Stop making me look insane for reacting to the things that you do to me. Just because you refuse to do all these little things for me, you keep touching me like I'm a crazy
Mama!
person. Stop it, I don't like it. Why did you do this to me? What do you think you're going? What do you think you're going? Stop! Come here. What do you think you're doing? Are you really serious right now? Come here, where do you think you're even going? Come here, see. If you leave this house, just know that our relationship is over.
Seriously? Is this what you are threatening me with now, Oma? You're unstable, oh. You need to check yourself.
You're very mad for that statement.
Oh.
It is you that is unstable. Your mother is unstable. Your father is unstable. In fact, your entire generation is unstable. If they check your generations from both sides, your mother and your father's side, we will see that all your great-grand people, they were in unstable homes. They're very, very mad and very stupid for that statement.
Go ahead.
Unstable.
No, go ahead. Insult my family. That's all you do. You see, this is why I cannot marry you. You lash out at every little thing. You lack self-control. Shift.
Who is the one begging you for marriage? You're very stupid. Come here, you better come back here. Where do you think you're going for? Who is begging you for marriage? Kill your marriage, Joe. You think you're going? Come on, what is the meaning of this? Where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going? You're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere. Where do you think you're going? You're not going anywhere. 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 No, lie, you're not going anywhere. What?
I will tell you.
No. Come on. No. It cannot be over. You're not leaving this house. You're not going anywhere. Come on, you're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere. Come on, you're not going anywhere. Come on, what did you get me?
See, Oma.
Leave me. Come on, stop. Leave me. Come on, hold on the floor. Leave me. Come on the floor. Come on, leave me. Come in. Can I help you?
Madam, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Yeah.
Yes. Please, I don't know whether na bad time for you.
No, it's fine. You can talk. How can I help?
Okay. My
Your boss.
boss say make I collect the
Money
where him use buy food for you this morning.
Oh, I thought it was a gift.
No. When you know the motherless baby's home.
Excuse you. Anyway, it's fine. How much is it? 3,000?
1,000.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, you can have it. Thank you so much.
Madam, thank you. Please, accept my condolence for for your loss.
Nobody died.
Never mind. But please stop crying. Fine girls, no, they cry.
It's fine. Yes, no problem. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Please
Bye.
don't attend to work.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. I've given Bobo the money.
What money?
The money for the food that you got me earlier.
No, I didn't send him to do that. I got you that food because I wanted you to have it. I don't need you to reimburse me.
Oh, he said that you asked him. No, it's
fine. Mama! Mama! Where's the money?
It's okay. You.
Hurry up. Now wait for me outside. I'm so sorry about this.
Thank you. Why am I so unlucky?
Hey, what is wrong?
Why am I so unlucky with men?
Mama, take it easy.
You smell so nice. Please, can you kiss me?
Wait. No. I can't. Listen, I can't kiss you. You're not yourself right now.
I'm myself.
No, you are not. Okay? You're not yourself. You're going to feel bad about this later.
No, I'm not going to feel bad. I'm broken up with my boyfriend and I'm free to do whatever it is that I want.
Listen to me. Just listen. Listen to what I have to say. Listen. Why don't you just try and sleep it out for a while? Okay? Listen, I don't feel comfortable. I mean, don't you have somebody who can spend the night with you here in the house?
I'm fine.
No, you're not fine. Look at you. You're not fine at all. I don't feel comfortable with you being alone in this house tonight.
Because you care about me. Because you like me.
Partly because I care about you. And partly because you still owe me money.
You care about me. You like
It's okay. Take it easy. It's okay.
Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Mama, why didn't you call me? Huh? Why didn't you call me?
He's having an affair again.
Oh my God.
I knew you were going to tell me. I told
should have called me. Oh, you shouldn't go through this alone. Come here, come here. It's okay. It's okay. I hope he didn't beat you again.
No.
You're not lying. You're telling me the truth, right? He didn't touch you. It's okay, come here.
I'm tired.
Everything is going to be fine.
I'm tired.
You don't have. Listen, I'm here for you. Okay? I'm always going to be here for you. Always. I don't want to see you crying. It's okay. Thank you so much for keeping an eye on her. And thank you for calling me.
I don't mind at all. It's not a problem.
You know, you somehow look quite familiar, but I don't know. I can just picture the face where I've seen you before.
I don't think I've ever met you before.
Same here. Well, you know, I can't just shake off a feeling. Anyways, do you mind if I can get your number to speak to you with my friend whenever you're around? Thank you.
I don't mind. There you go.
Thank you. I would love to answer your question, but I think I'll just go straight to the point. Are you seeing someone?
Well, that's pretty straight to the point.
Yes. You know, when I like someone for real, I don't like to beat around the bush.
I see.
Yeah.
Oh, the thing is that I'm not seeing anyone right now.
Good. I'll give you a call. Take care.
All right, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hey, boo.
That's more like it. Shit. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Haha. See this guy. Who's your daddy? Hello? Okay, listen. If you're calling me for the same reason you've been calling me for the past 5 years, you better stop calling me. And stop calling me with all these random numbers. I am not coming back.
I'm so sorry. It's not whoever you think it is. This is Joy.
Which Joy? Who?
Oh, don't tell me you've forgotten about me just like that already.
Oh, no. I haven't forgotten about you. How are you? Are you in the house?
Anyways, it's okay. Yes, I'm at home. I took some days off work, but you'll be seeing much of me very soon. Are you going to be in the house in the morning?
No, I won't be coming tomorrow.
No, it's okay. It's fine. It's fine. Anyways, I'm very much around, so whenever you choose to resume, you meet me here.
All right. Where was I?
Hey! It's you.
Yes, it's me. Good morning.
Good morning.
How's she doing?
Oh, gosh. She's still languishing in her own tears. You know, Kwame just has a way of breaking her heart. It's really sad.
Can I see her?
Of course, yes, you can come in.
After you.
Yeah.
Um, well, worse than yesterday. Joy seized all my phones.
I'm pretty sure her intentions are good.
Mm, yes. She's always right, you know. She hates him, and rightly so. But hey, I should have listened to her.
The good thing is that the worst part is over.
I'm so ashamed of myself. You know, the way I just came on to you, tried to kiss you, and I was just confused.
It's nothing. I know. I understand.
Thank you. Thank you. You're always so sweet and nice to me. How can I ever repay you?
Okay, let's see. How can you repay me?
Mm-hmm.
Or maybe by being happy. That's the best repayment I can get from you.
Thank you.
And maybe when you're ready to move on, I could take you out for a proper date.
Look, I don't want you getting the wrong ideas or anything. You're a really great guy. But there is nowhere or no how in Omar's life plans that I can end up with a plumber. You're just a plumber. I, I'm, I'm sorry, but there's no way I'm going to go on a date with you. But on the flip side, I know Joy has a crush on you. You could try, pursuing that.
I have to get to work.
Okay.
I hope you get that.
Yes, thank you.
Did them don't serve you breakfast?
Would you shut your mouth up and mind your business? In my next life, I am going to be a very rich man.
For my next life, me, I could be woman.
Why?
Maybe because woman get breast.
So, that's the reason why you want to be a woman.
Henna,
That's your whole life aspiration.
Henna, because I want know how it dey be to dey carry breast around.
Baba, you are very unbelievable. So unbelievable. Jeez.
But Oga, when you talk say you want be rich man, me, I no condemn you. Oh.
Okay, listen. When you're a rich man, you get respected. What will breast bring for you? Tell me.
But Oga, you rich already now.
I'm talking about billionaire kind of riches. Too much money. Come on.
Waiting dey there. As so far as me, they see food chop and dressed.
Well, you never understand. There's a kind of influence and prestige and respect that comes when you have so much money.
But you get respect now, my Oga.
No, I don't. If I did, I wouldn't have received the insult I just received.
Which insult?
Never mind. Let's get back to work. Let's check the pipe at the back. Let's use here. Use here. Yeah. Good evening, madam. I just want to give you a lowdown of the things we've done so far. So we've been able to finish up with the pipes inside. Now we are moving on to breaking the drainage outside.
That's fine. Thank you so much for the update.
Yeah. So we'll be leaving now, but we'll be back next tomorrow to resume.
All right. Mr. Fola, sorry, can I just see you real quick? I wanted to apologize for the way I spoke with you earlier. I know I might have been a little bit harsh, and I probably said a lot of things that I regret. I'm really sorry, and I hope you understand.
Okay.
I hope you're not going to see me like a bad person because I was honest with you.
Listen. I'm not responsible for the way that you feel. I'm not. Okay? It's not my fault that you feel that way.
But are you going to continue to be like this around me?
Listen, you've told me the way you feel. Okay? And I'm just trying to mind my business. I'm not trying to be anyhow around you.
Okay.
All right. Good day. Bobo, check inside. I'm sure it's clogged. The pipe, look, check that pipe, the pipe that is leading. Come here, climb up here and check it through. Bobo, listen to me. Check it through here because I'm sure the pipe here is clogged. Let me know what we have to. Hi.
Hi. I
Hi.
brought you something to eat.
Oh no, you really didn't have to do that.
Well, I want to.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. If you've been paying really much attention, you've noticed that I really like you.
I noticed.
So what is it? Am I not your type?
You are a beautiful woman.
So why have you been acting like you don't see me in this convent?
Well, I'm just not used to a woman asking me out.
Excuse me. I'm not asking you out. I'm asking you to ask me out.
Okay. Would you like to go out on a date with me?
I'll think about it.
Yeah.
I've thought about it, and my answer is yes.
Okay. So how about a movie night at my place?
Nice. As long as you're going to be there, I don't mind. Nice idea.
All right. It's a date then.
It's a date.
Right, I'll get back
Let
to
me
work.
get food for Bobo.
Okay. Thank you very much again. Thank you for this.
Enjoy.
But what are you still doing there? What? I told you to enter inside, Baba. What's your problem?
Hello.
Hey, babe.
Hi, darling. Oh my gosh.
Hey, you look nice.
Thank you, darling. I'm going out for a bit. I may be back before 10 o'clock, or I might just stay all night.
Oh, nice.
Not really so sure for now.
And where may you be going, ma'am?
I am actually going on a date. I know this is wrong timing and everything. Toma, I really like this guy so much. I do.
It's fine, I understand. And who is this guy?
You already know him.
I do.
Yes.
Fola.
Listen, girl. Is there a problem? Okay, that's fine. Promise me you'll take good care of yourself. Just be good for me, okay?
I will.
I love you.
Go and have fun. Mwah.
Bye.
Pick your call
I
and
will.
call me.
Okay.
Don't let me worry.
I'll try.
What? Is there something on my face? Okay.
I think I just have to drop this first. I can't just stop getting
Would my kiss cure you? Alright then.
Okay. Hey. Hey, baby. Come here, baby. So I've been calling your numbers. I've been trying to call your numbers. I've been calling. I've been calling your numbers since, and you haven't picked your calls. I hope you're doing okay. I hope you're good. I overreacted, and I just wanted to apologize. But honestly, I didn't mean to pick your phone call. I thought it was your client, so I was just trying to help so that she doesn't get upset and then you lose the contract. That's why I picked it in the first place. That's too much explanation. You're talking too much. Okay, that's why I picked the call. So please forgive me. My brain couldn't comprehend all those things that she was saying, and I just flipped. And I'm sorry. I miss you. I think that works. Let's just try. Can't be perfect. Can I do this? Do you want to do this? Okay. Hey, baby. I've been trying to reach you. You haven't been picking your calls. I know I overreacted. I just wanted to apologize. Honestly, I didn't plan to pick your call. It was just that I thought it was your client and I didn't want her to get upset. So, so I just picked it for that reason. But then the lady started to say all these personal things and then I just flipped because my brain couldn't comprehend all these things that she was saying. I didn't mean to. I just lost it. And please forgive me, baby. I miss you. I don't know why we just always fight, why we keep having these problems. Please forgive me. I miss you. Call me. Come back home. Yeah, baby. Mama. Break the door now. Break it.
Hey, darling.
Where have you been? I've been calling you since.
I'm so sorry, my love. I'm really so sorry. You know, I was in the middle of something that I couldn't help but not to get away from.
I don't like this.
Okay, ain't you gonna ask me what happened?
No.
Anyways, I'm gonna tell you how my day went, whether you like it or not. Come.
Come to where?
Anyways, trust me, this guy is just a full package. Whew.
He's a plumber.
Yeah, you're right. He's a plumber. But, that guy sure knows how to handle pipes so well.
And gutters.
What did you just say?
I mean, that's his job, isn't it?
Oh, I thought you called me gutters.
Please. If you're going to sleep with, or you're sleeping with a plumber, then basically you both are
Oma, what exactly is the call of your problem? No, tell me, what is your problem? Do you want to know what your problem is? Your problem is that you're sex-starved. And that's why you're so bitter and very sad.
And my darling friend Joy, is this how to talk to your friend that is heartbroken?
Oma, you know that I love you so much. You know this. But you see this heartbreak of yours? You're the cause of it. Yes. Oh my gosh, there's so many guys out there that you can actually love. Why Kome? Why him?
Do you know, I don't even know why I stand you as a friend. Like, why do I even tolerate all these things that you say to me?
You do tolerate all of these things because you know I am the only one that can tell you the truth. Oma, when you're ready to move on, I would know. For now, you just play. They play. They play. Fola, come on. Of course you know that I want to. Okay, so where are you taking me to? Oh, that sounds so nice. I'll be coming with my swimsuit. I can't just wait, trust me. Oh my gosh. I like it when you talk dirty to me, you know. Fala, I'll call you back much later, okay? I'll call you back much later. What is wrong with you?
Ew. Don't tell me you were thinking dirty thoughts while buttering that biscuit.
And nobody invited you to eat this biscuit.
You and this fella, you guys are really going at it like dogs. You need to chill.
Oh, now listen. I like this guy so much. Yes.
I know.
Oh, now listen. If this guy ever tries to propose to me in any way, before I would even say yes to him, he must have gone to my father's company first. Because he's so sweet.
Joy, have you conveniently forgotten that your father is a multi-millionaire? Do you think he would want you to marry a plumber?
Why not? Now tell me, because there's nothing bad in it. As long as the guy is actually very promising and is smart. My dad would accept, trust me.
Okay, oh, chips, I beg, is the food ready?
It's not ready.
So you come and be butchering all these things.
Come on, eat it. Stop with that.
Where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going?
Oh my God, baby, stop!
Where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going? Oh, yeah, tell me, what can you do now?
Oh,
What can you do now? Now I've pinned you, what can you do?
Please.
You this girl, you're so stubborn, I swear, you're too troublesome. You're just so lucky that I'm a good person.
Good person indeed.
Of course, I'm a good person. In fact, I'm so good that the secondary school I attended was called Good Boys High School. That's how good I am.
Wait, you attended St. Paul High School? Yes, because my brother also attended the same school. And they're the only one who call themselves the good boys. Wait, did I say something wrong?
No, not at all. I'm hungry. Are you not hungry? Let me just prepare something for us.
Don't bother, I'm not hungry. Fola, did you attend St. Paul High School?
No?
Well, see, now I remember why I went there. Well, the egg boy which I had never seen. Oh my gosh, my mother still has the book. She was so proud of my brother because he was a social people like that.
Can we please not do this?
How come it took me so long to remember you? My brother would always say about how jealous he was of you because you were meant to go study medicine abroad.
Okay, listen, you're mistaking me for someone else.
Are you trying to say you look like the same person and bear the same name?
Yes. Good day, madam.
Take it and drop the formal, please.
Thank you. I want to let you know that we are almost done with the work. But I think we also need to redo the connection linking the tank at the back, the other one.
Oh, please, can we just stop with the plumbing talk? Listen, I know you like me. But Fola, you told me at the wrong time. I was heartbroken and I said some things that I didn't mean.
Well, it's all in the past now.
It's not in the past. You need to understand that I dated Kome for 6 years and it will take me some time to get over that. Please understand.
I understand.
But good news, I have had time to think about things properly. And yes, I think you're right. You are the perfect man for me.
Well, unfortunately, it's late. I took your advice. I'm going out to Joy now.
Joy. But you don't love her.
She's a good woman.
But she's not the woman you want.
I don't want to hurt her.
Paula, I know Joy, okay? She's a very forceful person. She will just force things down your throat. And then you start to feel like, oh, that is what you want. And if you continue dating her, you're just going to end up hurting yourselves. You hurt her, she will hurt you. Because you guys don't really care about yourselves.
I think I need to take my leave now.
Paula. Sorry. Please. Please. Sorry. I'm ready now.
Fola? What's going on? Why have you been avoiding my calls?
I'm sorry, but I've been very busy.
I'm not buying that. Because that's the excuse everyone says when they want to make an excuse. Fola, are you still mad at me because I brought up your school thing?
It's not about that.
No, I strongly believe that is the reason. Because since I mentioned that, you've been so mad at me.
Joy, please, can you just drop this? Please.
I'm not dropping it. No. Fola, just so you know, I spoke to my brother about this. And he confirmed to me that you are the same person he attended school with. Fola, I need answers. What happened?
What answers could you possibly need from my past? Joy, I have told you to let this thing slide, but you're being too stubborn.
Fola, what are you hiding?
I am hiding from people like you.
What do you mean by that?
People like you are always being too pushy, always intruding, always prodding, always being inquisitive, always forcing things. Sometimes you need to slow down.
Okay. I'm sorry. I'm really so sorry if me trying to get to know you better is a problem.
Please just stop trying, please.
I should stop trying? What do you mean by that?
What I mean is that this thing between us, maybe we need to slow down.
Slow down? Okay, fine. Slow down. I'll slow down. I don't even get it. What exactly do you mean by slow down?
I think I just need some space.
You need some space? Some space for what? Answer me. What space do you need? Tell me.
Ogami, this one you go give situation report. You still.
What are you looking at? Have you finished the work I asked you to do? Would you return to it? Nonsense. Wait, what are you even doing there? Baba?
Girl, you seem really so happy these days. It seems like you finally moved on from Comer.
Comer? Who's that? What is that? Is that the name of a place, animal, food, or thing? What's that?
Just girl, you're so naughty. I'm so happy for you, honestly.
Oh, Oga me, see lipstick for your face.
Where?
I get you there.
Ah, you know what? I can see your future already. Unemployment looks really good on you. Mm-hmm.
Pablo!
Would you get back to work?
Pablo.
Pablo! Oh, Gami, Pablo! Let's go back!
This kind of boy with this.
God, what's the truth?
Why do you say that?
It's the truth. I'm not lying. Come on. Are you expecting something?
I forgot. I said that to get us here. I'm coming! Don't miss me. Don't miss me.
I'm right here.
Right here.
Yeah, just waiting back.
Just hold that thought. Stop it! Why did it take you so long? So your place closed or what? I'm coming.
I think I've ruined my affair with Fola. What are you doing here? Please just tell me you came here to fix the toilet sink. So much for friendship.
Joy, it's not.
So much for friendship.
It's not what you think. Joy, it's not what you think.
Why should I wait for you? Why? What do you want to tell me? You told me you wanted us to slow down and now dead. Why should I wait for you? Why? What do you want to tell me? Say something. You told me I should slow down and now dead.
Joy, honestly, I never meant to hurt you. But I've always wanted Oma. You and I, it just happened.
It just happened? So you mean I lost myself and you, right?
No, it's all my fault. I led you on thinking that my feelings for Oma would change. And I'm sorry.
You could have just told me the truth. You could have told me how you felt without deceiving me, making me feel like me bringing up your past was the reason. Why?
I'm sorry.
I didn't need you sorry. I hate you.
I'm sorry, Joy. Honestly, Oma, I feel really, really bad. I feel like we should have told her earlier.
I know, but I mean, we liked each other first, right?
Yeah. The thing is that maybe I shouldn't have started anything with her in the first place.
I know, and that's completely my fault. But in my defense, the both of you wasn't going to work out anyways. I don't know, man. She forced herself on you, right?
What are you talking about? She's your friend.
I know that. You think I don't know that? I'm just trying to convince myself that what we're doing is okay. Can you just leave me alone? Leave me.
Okay. You know what I think?
What?
I think you should go and see her tomorrow and check on her, make sure she's okay. You need to explain things to her.
I know. But that's if she even answers me. I know she hates me so much right now.
At least you should try. Okay? Please.
Okay, baby. Come on, what do you want?
I came to see you.
Why? I've been calling you for the past few weeks. You refuse to pick up your phone calls, and now all of a sudden you're in my house wanting to see me. Why?
You have no idea the amount of stress that you put me through. See, that one phone call that you answered, I lost that deal. Babe, my life has been in complete turmoil.
So what? What is my business? Your life has been scattered, right? But yet, you're on Instagram every single day, posting fresh pictures of yourself.
Oh, ma, that's all for publicity's sake now. You know how these things be. Listen, I'm not going to lie to you. I've been struggling to survive. I didn't want to burden you with my many problems. That was the reason I did not call you.
So what should I now do?
Fine. I want us to work on our relationship.
Who is the us? It's like you don't have sense. Have you forgotten that we've broken up? There's no us, so you better just leave me alone and get out of my house. Which us? It's not us. It's what?
First off, why are you glowing like this? Eh? Are you seeing someone else?
No.
You bet. Who was that?
Who's who?
Who was that? I heard some.
Who? Who's who? No, this is my house. You will not disrespect me in my house. Come here, you will not disrespect. Who is who? Come here, stop it. You will not disrespect me.
Is it not your plumber? What is he doing in your bed?
Please, can you just leave?
Are you sleeping with the plumber?
No. 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 He's just fixing the bathroom sink.
Come on now. There's some things I do not expect from you. How can you be having an affair with the plumber? Do you even hear what people say if they get to hear something like this?
Can you just stay out of my life?
Oma, you're better than this now. Why would you want to ruin your brand?
What is your business? Stay out of my life. Leave me alone. Get out of my house. Excuse me.
was more than a plumber to you.
You are, babe, but I don't want Kwame to know about us yet.
Why? Tell me why. Are you ashamed of me?
No, never. I can never be ashamed of you.
Then prove it. Tell him that you are seeing me. Prove it.
Oma, what is your plumber talking about?
Tell him or I'll walk away.
Oma! He's just a plumber, right?
Father, please just go.
Oga,
Please.
you can leave.
Please.
Are you deaf? I said you can leave. Something...
I just need to think for now. I don't want Kwame getting the wrong ideas.
Why do you even care about him getting the wrong idea?
Because he has the power to ruin my career.
How long are you going to keep hiding?
Baby, please just give me time to figure things out. Please. Please.
You know what? Never bother.
Oma, I am not a fool. Don't think I don't see what's going on here.
What's your business? Why does it concern you?
It is my business. Yes, it is. When the blogs start dragging you, they will drag my name into your mess. Lagos-based influencer caught in a scandalous affair with a plumber. And remember, this said influencer has been actively dating celebrity manager and entrepreneur, the amazing King Kome.
The amazing King Kome forget when he cheated on me?
Listen, sometimes I flirt with my clients. It's normal. Alright? So stop reading extra meaning into that one phone call.
Kome, please just leave me alone. Just leave me alone. And don't come back into this house.
What? Oma.
Kome, please, you need to leave my house. You need to go right now.
Are you throwing me out because of that guy?
No, I'm throwing you out because of my peace of mind. I'm done. I'm tired of fighting. I'm done. I've had enough. Just leave me alone, please.
Baby, that is why we work.
Oh.
We are a perfect fit. No matter how much we fight, no matter how much we quarrel, no matter how much we argue, we always come back to each other. Me and you, we are like Bonnie and Clyde, baby. You know what I'm saying?
No, leave me alone. Come and leave. Leave me alone. Just forget about me. Just go. Go. Come and leave me.
Babe, you know I can never leave you. Listen, I came here to give you something. I know you love this one. I thought about this. It feels just about right. Mama, would you marry me?
Is this a ring?
Yes, baby, it is.
Would you know how long
I know, baby.
I waited for you to do this?
Too long. You know, but tell you what, yeah? I think I bought the bigger size. But you know, you can add a little weight, you know, so it fits perfectly.
Oh, man.
Sorry. I will get a perfect size for you. I promise I'll get a perfect size for you. But it looks good, yeah? Pure stones. Cutting from the best of best. saying?
Come here, I can't do this. I can't do this.
What the fuck is wrong with this girl? Oma! Oma! Oma, what do you mean?
Oh, God. Exactly what I said, Come here. I can't marry you. I don't want to marry you. I don't like the way you love me.
What is wrong with this girl, for God's sake? Why would you want to throw away everything that we've built together?
What have we built together?
Oma, we are one of the most envied celebrity couples in town. Me and you, we are like Bonnie and Clyde. Why would you want to throw all that away?
Oh, God. Come here, I don't love you anymore. I don't want to marry you. Besides, I'm in love with somebody else.
Wait, who? The plumber? Hey, pause. Are you really in love with the plumber, Oma? Are you mad?
Come on, please, can you just leave me alone? Mind your business. Get out of my house. Leave me alone.
Oma.
What?
I won't let you disrespect me like this.
Oh.
There is no way I'm going to let you leave me for a plumber. Never.
You left me first.
But that's in the past.
Well, I no longer live in the past. Come and leave me.
I told my followers that we are getting engaged today. If you hadn't blocked me, you should have seen that post.
Checking your Instagram posts is not one of the highlights of my day.
Well, it used to be.
Well, it isn't anymore. Come and stop living in the past. I don't want you anymore. I don't love you. I don't want to marry you. Leave me alone. Let me go. Oh, God.
Baby girl. Oma, my love. Listen. If you don't take that ring, I will tell the whole world who you really are.
Who am I?
Yes. I will tell them of your affair with Chief Aina.
That was in the past.
Nobody cares. Absolutely no one. But I'm sure the ad agencies and the brands coming to you to help them advertise their will think about that when the whole world gets to find that you are nothing but a cheap runs girl acting posh. A common Olosho.
You won't dare.
Try me. I will tell them that all this good girl facade is all fake. Behind the cute videos and pictures is an insecure woman who sleeps with old men, plumber and the likes.
Nobody is going to believe you.
Try me.
Get out of my house.
I dare you.
Get out of my house.
I dare you.
Come here, has killed me. Oh, God, what do I do? Oh, I'm dead. Oh, what do I do? Oh, God, what do I do? Oh, God, come here, has killed me.
Hello, Joy. How are you?
Come downstairs. I'm waiting for you.
Downstairs.
Hi. Have you heard about the news?
What news?
She's back to him. I'm so sorry that I never get to warn you about this. You see, every time they keep making up and breaking up, I should have just told you. I'm really so sorry.
It's fine. I know that now.
So how are you doing?
I've seen worse. And you? How are you doing?
I'm doing way better than you are. I figured out who you are. But one thing I don't understand is why you chose to hide about your identity. You could be anything that you want to be. But why did you choose to become a plumber?
I don't like to remember my past. But I believe I owe you an explanation.
Shall we? If you're not comfortable talking to me, it's fine.
My father beat my mom to death.
Oh my God.
That's why I left home. I found out that he had been beating her a few weeks before my secondary school graduation. If only I had convinced her to leave him. She would still be alive. I did not fight for her. I allowed her to die in his hands because I was too obsessed with my ambition of traveling out of the country for my studies.
No. Don't say that. Please. Do not blame yourself for something like that, please.
I blame myself every day. That's the reason I hate my father, and I'll never forgive him.
It's okay. Everything is going to be fine. I am really so sorry that you had to go through all of this. Sorry.
I hope now you understand the reason why I behave the way I do. I feel guilty of my mother's death.
No. No. Do not blame yourself for anything, please. Okay? Everything is going to be fine. Believe me. Please, it's okay. Please. Please. It's okay. So there's no chance that we can ever be a team together?
Well, I don't see the possibility right now. She's always going to be the girl who got away, and you'd always be a second choice at best, and I don't think you deserve that. You deserve better.
Thank you. You see the reason why I like you. You're always thinking about other people. Such a cute heart. Thank you so much for being honest with me. I really do appreciate it.
Thank you for understanding.
It's okay. Oh, love can be so crazy. Yeah, because one minute you just happen to see a guy that you're in sync with, that you love, and you want to give him your heart, and the next minute the same guy happens to like your friend, who happens to like our ex, that would never love her back. Crazy.
Yeah, a conundrum, right? But I know that very soon you'll meet a guy who's going to love you just the way you deserve.
Yeah. I have to go now.
I'll open the door for you.
Yeah.
Joy, I've been calling you. You don't respond, and I even came to your house. Your security guard said you didn't want to see me.
Very correct. That's because I'm still very mad at you.
But I said I was sorry.
No, you're not sorry. You're just plain stupid. For goodness sake, how could you leave a guy like Fola? Such a good guy for that dog for me, it's called Kome. How would you do that?
Joy, Kume and I, we have history.
What stupid history? Huh? Just make it make some sense to me. What stupid history? For goodness sake, if there's anyone in this whole entire world that you should be having an issue with, she should be called Fola and not Kome.
Joy, you don't understand. Fola is a plumber.
And so what?
Okay, tell me, which influencer, brand ambassador, okay, actress, anyone in the limelight, have you seen dating someone like a plumber?
Not again.
Do you know how that is going to damage my reputation?
There is nothing that is going to damage your reputation. Okay? Oma, listen to me. Fola is not the ordinary plumber that you think he is. You know what? I'll be giving you a shocker right now. Fola's father is the owner of Regan Enterprise. He's the son to a millionaire. Yes.
Fola. So why is he a plumber then? I don't understand.
You don't understand. Don't worry, I'll make you understand. Fola walked away from his father and his father's wealth. And that to me seems like so much courage for him to do. So if I were you, I would go to Fola to take some lessons and muster some courage rather than being delusional. getting worried about what people will think about you. Silly.
But, but, wait, hello?
Hello. What do you
Um,
want?
can I get, my business stew, please?
Let me direct you.
Please, I don't want direction. I need you to get me the food.
No be free.
It's fine, it's fine. I would give you the money, whatever it is. Can you do that ASAP for me? Okay.
Your money na 8K.
It's fine, thank you. I will transfer it to you.
You get my account number
Yes,
before now.
No problem. I'll transfer it to you. Okay. I'll do that in a bit. Just come inside.
No. Madam, me, I don't late already. My oga go dey shout oh.
I just need to ask you some questions. Just please come inside first.
Madam, me I no understand oh. First, you say make I buy food. Now, you dey talk say make I enter inside. Me I no dey do that kind service oh.
Excuse you. What nonsense service are you talking about? When you come inside, I need to ask you some questions. Service are you talking about? Come inside. Please sit. How's how's your boss doing?
Fine.
Like, how is he really doing? He hasn't been answering my call.
Madam, this your question. Get part A and part B. Which one you been pay for?
So, how is your boss doing?
Madam, make I tell you the truth.
Okay.
My Oga is not doing fine at all. He no even gree shop food.
Oh,
If you see my Oga now, he don't lean finish.
Baba, please, I need your help.
Oh, okay.
Please, where does your boss stay?
Why they ask?
Well, he left some important things behind, and I want to return it, and I cannot give it to you. I don't think you're that reliable.
But me, I not tell you anything. Oh.
No, it's fine. You didn't tell me.
I not talk. Oh.
No, you didn't talk.
Oh, okay. If you follow that street where they back, if you go come enter right. No. I mean left. You come turn back. One big building. They there. Now there. They stay there.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yes. Welcome.
You can have this.
Madam, thank you.
All right then.
Very much.
Kindly. Bye. Thank you, Baba.
Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Oga. Oga. Good morning, sir.
My boy, is that you?
Yes. Oga, something happened.
What is the problem?
Yes. That madam, we they work for before come me say she dey find you make you come carry your property where you forget for her place. But say she no your house.
Is that so? All right. I'll go and get my things myself.
Okay. Make I come inside.
Come on, we need to talk.
What are we talking about?
I can't do this anymore. Like, you can go ahead and tell people whatever it is that you want. You know, paint me black, purple. I don't care, whatever it is. I can't do this anymore. Just leave me. Let me go. Just release me, please.
Why do you want to disgrace me like this? Eh? 4 years. 4 flipping years. You have been begging for this ring, and now I give it to you. You want to make a mess of me in public.
Beg you.
You were fucking begging, nagging, crying, asking for this ring.
What are you talking about? Why on earth will I beg a man with no vision to marry me?
What? Are you mad? Eh? Are you mad?
Why? Ow!
Go on, talk. Talk. You talk to me like, are you mad? Eh? Who's the man? Who's the man now? Go on. Talk. Huh? Who's the man? Talk.
Yes, my dad, I'm coming. I'm coming. Fola, what are you doing here?
I just came to take my things. That's it. What? Are you okay?
What happened to your face? Who did this to you?
Nobody. Nothing.
Everybody knows that women are the real scum. Can you believe that she called her plumber boyfriend and he stalks to beat me up? Oh, look at my face now. I dated that woman for 6 whole years. And every time I wanted to marry her, my instinct kept warning me that she was the wrong choice. And it was right.
Oh, God. Baby, what am I going to do?
Just ignore him. Ignore all the noise and keep doing your thing.
Ignore? Listen, this video is on all the blogs. Are you serious? People are insulting me. People are asking questions.
I know, but it will blow over very soon.
Is it? What could that be? Are you expecting?
No?
Oh. And who are you?
My name is Vanessa. I think we spoke on the phone about Anyways, I'm here to see you about coma.
Come in. Please, come in. Come in. Please. Have a seat.
I just got back from Germany about 2 months ago, and I met him through my brother. I mean, he was squatting with my brother.
Squatting?
Yeah. He and I had an affair, and which fell out because he duped me of over 35 million naira.
35 million naira.
Yeah. I threatened him, and he blocked me. I didn't hear from him ever since. The next day, I saw a post on a blog about your engagement. I traced you, and I'm here. So, I just want my money back. I just need my money back. So, whichever way, however you can help me reach him or get to him, I just need my money.
Well, we are no longer engaged.
Oh, wow.
I don't know where he is. However, I think we can help you smoke him out.
Thank you.
Listen, I still have a very interesting scoop. Matter of fact, I have broken it down into series. See the one I gave you about that her plumber boyfriend? That useless idiot. That's episode 1 of season 1. How much will you pay me so I will tell you about her sugar daddy in episode 2?
I don't think that this is a very interesting scope anymore. But would you be interested in coming over to our studios to talk about the woman you scammed?
Yeah, hello. This is King Kome. How may I help you?
Come, is it true that you are a wanted man?
What? What kind of nonsense question is that?
Look, there's a video going viral as we speak. A woman came out to say that you stole over 72 million naira from her business.
What? 72? That's a lie.
Are you confirming or denying the veracity of her statement?
7. What is happening? God, what is happening? Hello?
Good evening, sir. My name is Detective Obey. I would like to ask you to drop by at our station. You have some cases to answer.
What's happening? I need to move. I need to move. I need to move.
No, that was just a cheap attempt at blackmail. The police stopped him at the airport. My boyfriend. Yes. He really is a plumber. And the best one has that. No, I don't think there's anything wrong with that. How does that affect the situation? Okay. Alright, thank you. Hey.
Hey, good morning.
Guess what? I just secured 2 deals because my boyfriend.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Who would have thought?
I know, right?
I'm so happy for you.
Congrats, darling.
I love you.
I love you too.
She tell me when she call me, make I run come. She wants a serious something for a long run. She wants a man who's loving, isn't just for fun. Ordinary man, yeah, for you. Ordinary man, always love you. Ordinary man, yeah, for you.